start from the topic of basics of Python. Let's see the introduction of Python. What is Python and what can do with Python and what is the uses of Python. Let's see. What is Python? Python is a popular programming language which was created by Guido van Rossum in the year 1991. Let's see where the Python is used, in which environment the Python is going to be used. It is used in the web development, it is used in the software development, it is used in the software development, it is used for mathematical problems, to solve mathematical problems, and it is also used for system scripting. Let's see what can Python do. It is used to create web applications, it is used to create web applications, it is used to create workflows, it is used to create workflows, and it is also, we can also connect Python with databases. We can also connect the Python with databases, which is used to read and modify the files. Okay, let's see. We can also, with Python, we can also handle the big data and perform complex mathematics. See, it is used to handle. It is used to handle big data and perform big complex mathematical problems. Okay, we have discussed about what is Python. We know that it is a popular programming language and it is created by Guido van Rossum in the year 1991. Where can we be used? It is used in the web development, software development, mathematical problems, and system scripting. What Python can do? It is used to create web applications, right? It is also used to create workflows. We can also connect the Python with databases, which is used to read and modify the files. It is used to handle big data and perform big complex mathematical problems. Let's see the syntax of Python. How will be the syntax? We will write the syntax. See, it was very readable. We are just passing a command which is used to get the display the output. Okay, we can also use the indentation using white space to define scope, such as scope of loops, functions, classes. In other programming languages, what will be used? We will use curly braces for the purpose. Let's see the syntax of Python. Just I am passing print hello world. Just I am running the program. See, we had got the output, that is print hello world. Let's see another example. Print welcome to Python class. See, welcome to Python class. This is the syntax of Python. Okay, let's see how to install Python. We can see how to install Python in another session. But let's continue the topic. How to execute the Python code? Just in Jupyter Notebook, what you have to do, you have to print whatever you know need to print. Just you need to type the print and data science. Sure. Just what you have to do, you have to run the program. That's it. What is, let's see, what is Python indentation? In Python, there is an indentation which we will be used. Indentation. Let's see what is Python indentation. Indentation is nothing but it is referred to the spaces at the beginning of a code line. Indentation refers to the spaces at the beginning of a code line, right? When compared to other programming languages, so the indentation in code is for readability only. The indentation in Python is very important because it uses to indicate the block of code. In Python, what we will do with indentation, it is used to indicate a block of code. What will do? Python uses indentation to, what it will do? It is used to indicate a block of code. In Python, indentation is very much important. Okay, let's see a small example. Like if for indentation, it is example for indentation, less than show. Okay, what I need to do, I need to print 5 is greater than 2, right? See, 5 is greater than 2. This is the example. If we skip the indentation, what is indentation here? It is a space, right? If we skip the space, then what we will do? It will shows the syntax error. Okay. Let's see what is Python variables. Let's see Python variables. Let's see what is a variable. Variable is nothing but assigning value to a variable. It assigns value to the variable. Okay. Let's see the example. X is equal to 5. X is equal to 5. Here X is a variable and I am assigning value to a variable that is 5. And Y is equal to this is the example. What I need to do? I need to print of X. So let's see, print of X. Print of X and print of Y. Just run the program. We will get print of X, that is 5, and Y is equal to hello world. Okay. This is the example of a variable. Variable is nothing but we are assigning the value to a variable. Okay. Let's see, there are different types of rules for a variables. Let's see later. Let's see what is a comment. Let's see what is comments. In Python, what is a comment? Comment is nothing but it is used to describe the program code. What we will comments do in Python? Comments are used to describe the program code. Okay, this is comment. In Python, what we will comment starts with hashtag. In Python, comment starts with hash. Okay, in Python we will start with hash. Let's see example for this. I'm using hash. This is my code. Okay, now I'm giving range. This is my code. Let's print it. See, wherever I had used the hashtag, that is used to describe the program code, and that will not be executed in the output. Whatever written in comment tag, that will not be executed in the program code. Okay, see, this is what it is about comment. We had seen that it is used to explain Python code. It is more readable, and whatever we have written in the hashtag, that will not be displayed in the output. Right? Let's see another example like this only. I have used hash range. This is my classroom. Okay, this is what I have done with hashtag, and now just I am giving range. This is my classroom. Okay, see what it will be printed. Whatever you didn't use with hashtag, that will be printed. Whatever used with the hashtag, that will not be printed, because hashtags comments are not displayed in the output. This is single line comment. Let's see about multi-line comment. How can we, if you want to write multiple lines of code as a comment, what we will be used? Let's see. Multi-line comments. What we will do with multi-line comments, we can add multiple comments which are used to insert by using hashtag in each of the lines. This is a comment. Okay, this is first, and hash written in, again hash more than one line. We have used more than one line. What I am doing here, I am giving range. Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world. Let's see the output. Okay, see here also I need to get hashtag. Okay, let's run the program. Print welcome to my world. This is space indentation. I had given the space. See, unexpected indentation. There is an error in the indentation. Let's check it. Because indentation is very much important in a Python program, we didn't give the unexpected errors. Welcome to my world. Right is taking. Okay, let's print here. Print welcome to my world. Let's print the output. See, welcome to my world. Okay, Why it has shown here error? Because we cannot use the multiple lines as hashtags. That is what it is saying. Print. Now what we can do to write multi-line comments? Let's see that. Okay, while I had run, it's showing indentation error. Right, so what I can do is, see, I'm using the tags like this, and now I'm writing the comment. Okay, this is a comment. This is a comment written in more than just one line. Okay, this is my comment which I had given. So what I will do, I'll add one more. So just remove 2. Okay, this is my comment, and what I need to do, I need to print hello world. See, let's run the program. Showing the error because I had taken 4 right here. See, now here also I had taken 4, just 3. Now run the program. See, this is how we will do with multi-line comments. We have to pass 3 inverted commas here, write the code in between, and whatever we need to print, we can print. Okay, this is the example of multi-line comments. Let's see briefly about, we had seen about variables like, and we can, it is used to create value to a variable. Variables. In variables, what we can do? It is used to store. It is used to store the data in a variable. What we will store in a variable? That is value. The data is nothing but value. Okay. Or else you can tell like this. Or else it assigns the value. It assigns the value to a variable. Let's see some more examples regarding the variables. Okay. I am taking here x is equal to, x is a variable. X is equal to 5, and I am checking y is equal to somewhat name like Tabasum. Okay, what I am doing now, I need to print of x, and print of y. What we will get the output, that is 5, and the name is, that is I had taken name as Tabassum. Let's see how we had declared the variable, right? Now I want to know what is the type stored in there. That will come under data types. First I will just explain you what is the type of the data here. See, I had taken x is equal to 5, y is equal to Tabassum, and I had printed successfully. Now what I need to do is, I need to get what is the type which was stored in a variable. I need to know that. Then what I can do? That is nothing but x. Let's take another example. X is equal to 10 and y is equal to John. Okay. So what I need to do? Print of x. Okay. And again print of y. Okay. What I need to know some more thing is print type of x. I need to know whatever type stored in x. Okay, see. X is equal to 10. We had printed x value, y value, and what I am assigning here, print type of x. Whatever stored in the, what is the class type, what is the data type which was stored in the variable, that is integer. Int means integer. Let's see. Print type of y. What was stored in type of y? That is string, right? It is a string which was stored in the collection of characters which was stored in a consecutive memory location and in a singular double quotes. That is called a string. Let's see, what is casting? Casting is nothing but if you want to specify the data type of a variable, that can be done with casting. See, casting. What is casting? It is nothing but if you want to specify, if you want to specify the data type of a variable, whatever stored in the variable, I need to know the type, then we will use with casting. Okay, this will be done with casting. Okay, let's see what is casting. See, here I am taking one example. X is equal to str of 3. X is equal to str of 3 and string of 3. I am taking here string of 3, and what I am taking y is equal to, I am taking y is equal to some more value like integer of 3. Okay, z is equal to float of 3. Okay, float is nothing but it will be in the decimal forms. Now what I need to do, print of x, print of y, print of z. What here we will do, for float it will shows the decimal points, right? But I had given only 3. Then what will I will get the output? It's nothing but 3.0. I will do, because it will shows in decimal forms. Let's see the output. Print of z, right? Let's scroll some down. Okay. Just I had run the program. That what I had gone 3, print of x string 3, and print of y, that is integer, and for float what I had got 3.0. Okay. Let's see the type which we have seen before. If you want to get the type, let's see some more examples for type. I need to know all these types. See, I had taken x is equal to 5, y is equal to somewhat string like pineapple, and I am taking z a float value. Z is equal to 4.5. Okay. Now what I need to get? Print type of x. I need to know, I don't want to know the values which were stored in the data. I want to know just the type, what was stored in the variable. Okay, I am giving here type, print type of y and print type of z. Okay, see, let's see the example. Let's run the program. See, that is the class, the data type is first one which we have taken is string. Second one which we have taken is string. Yeah, is equal to 6. It is an integer rather. X is equal to 6. X is equal to 5. I had taken here y is equal to somewhat value as a string. Let's see only the string and float values. That is string and float. I am taking here x is equal to 10. I need to know print of print type of x. Let's see what is the type of x which was stored, that is integer. Okay, these are the types. Let's see the variable names. In variables, let's see what are variable names. It has a short name like x and y. We can use x and y are age, car name, tutor, volume. Let's see the names. Variable. Let's see variable names. We can even take it as variables like, we can take variables like x, comma, y, comma, z. Okay, we can take like these variables. We can also take the variables like a name, variable name like age, car, or car name, or else total if you want to know the total, and if you want to know the volumes, we can take it as also like this. Let's see what are the rules of variable. There will be because the rules, because all these are case sensitive. Let's see the rules of variables. We cannot use the variables as our own. See, in rules what will happen, a variable name must start with a letter or the underscore character. It is must and should. You have to remember this. A variable should start with, it should not be start with a number, okay? That's the meaning of this. It should start with a letter or the underscore character, okay? Underscore character, okay? It should not be start with number. A variable should not start with number, okay? No special characters are allowed in the variable. No special characters are allowed in a variable, okay? No special characters are allowed in a variable. And one more thing is, a variable cannot start with Python keywords, or it will not be any Python keyword, because variable names are case sensitive, okay? A variable name cannot be any of the keyword, okay? Python keyword, okay? Because variables are case sensitive. Variables are case sensitive. Variables are case sensitive. This is all about variables. Let's see some of the legal variables. What are legal variables and what are illegal variables by using the rules of variables. Let's see some of the legal variables. What are legal variables here? My var is equal to, I am taking here, my variable is a variable. We can also give the names like I had said before, like age, car name, total, volume, like this, okay? I am taking here my variable. Here my underscore, it should be started with letter, or else we can start with a underscore character also, is equal to John. This is a legal variable, okay? And it should start with underscore, right? My underscore var. This is also a legal variable. See, this is also a legal variable. Now I am taking my capital var. This is also a legal variable. Let's check my capital var2. We can also give the numbers at the last, not in starting. Okay, JOHN. This is also a legal variable. Let's see what are illegal variables. Let's see what are illegal variables. It should not start with numbers, right? It should not start with numbers. This is an illegal variable because we have started in number. We should not start with number. See, my special characters are not allowed. Hyphen is a special character, right? We can use underscore but not special characters like $sign, like hash, like @, like percentage, like star, like and. This will not be used in the variables. This is a illegal variable, and spaces are not allowed, right? My space var is equal to John. These are illegal variables. This is all about illegal variables. How can we assign a value to a variable? That is nothing but we have seen before, that is value. Here we will take the value like my, I am giving here name, variable name See, I need to go here, capture lecture, shit. Variable name, my variable name is equal to John. So, this is the thing how we will assign the value to a variable. Okay. This is called as a camel case. This is called as a camel case, and we can also which first starts with a capital letter, right? Each word except the first will starts with a special character, capital letter. And what is Pascal? It is nothing but which will starts with a capital letter. In Pascal, what we will do? This is, see here. Here I am using hashtag, that is, this is a camel case. Okay. So whichever starts with the first word which starts with capital, that is called Pascal case. My capital variable variable, name, n is a capital, name name is equal to John. This is called as Pascal. This is called as Pascal case. Pascal case. Okay. Let's see another, which will be start with underscore. Each word is separated by underscore. That is called as snake case. Variable underscore name is equal to John. Okay. This is called as snake case. Hash snake case. Okay. These are the variables. Let's see what are the data types in the another session. Thank you.